So this reading assignment you'll find in your art history book if you click on the welcome link. At the very bottom of that is the starter kit. And you'll click there. Maybe it'll take a while to open, like my computer, or maybe yours is faster. So it's circling, and here it is, starter kit. This is a really important section because it gives you the terminology that's going to appear through the whole rest of the course. Terminology that you want to master in order to be able to do the kind of analysis and interpretation that you're required to do in this class. So this is going to be a section that is fairly short, but you want to read carefully. And you can't expect to take it all in at once. So you're going to come back to it and refer to it like a dictionary in future chapters. And I also have set up a Q&A discussion, ungraded, just a place to kind of bring your questions so that I can help you with any parts of that reading that are particularly troublesome. Remember with the Canvas discussion that in order to get into the discussion, you have to go into the reply box and write something. So if you don't have a particular question, but you want to see what others have brought up to help your learning, just write something simple in there and jump right into the discussion.